Hey guys! Welcome to our channel, Product Reviews. A place where you get information about trending products and concepts in the world with purchase links. If you have not yet subscribed the channel, please subscribe. Be the first to type, "I am subscribed," in the comment box below. Without much wasting your time, let's get started. Realme 7i smartphone will be launched on September 17th. Tech company Realme has announced the launch of its stunning smartphone Realme 7i. Realme 7i smartphone will be launched in Indonesia on September 17th, although the company has not given any details about its launch in other countries including India. Let us inform you that, the company launched the Realme 7 series in the Indian market last week. The launching event of the Realme 7i smartphone will start on September 17th in Indonesia at 1:07 p.m., 11:37 p.m. Indian time, and will be seen live on the company's official YouTube channel. The price of the Realme 7i smartphone has not been revealed but, however, it's expected that its value will be in the budget segment. According to the report that surfaced, the Realme 7i smartphone will have a 6.5-inch HD display. Aside from this, users will get 8GB RAM and 128GB storage with Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 chipset in this smartphone. Talking about other features, the company can provide a triple rear camera in this smartphone, which will have a 64-megapixel sensor, 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens and 2MP sensor. Also, a 16-megapixel selfie camera will be given in the front of this phone. According to the leaked report, Realme 7i is expected to get a 5000 mAh battery, which can support 18 watts fast charging. Apart from this, connectivity features such as Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth version 5.0 and USB port Type-C will be offered on this smartphone. Realme 7 smartphone is offered in the Indian market. The starting price of this smartphone is 14,999 rupees. The Realme 7 smartphone has a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display, which has a resolution of 1,080x2,400 pixels. Also, Corning Gorilla Glass 3 has been given for the protection of the screen of this phone. Aside from this smartphone has the support of the latest octa-core MediaTek Helio G95 processor. At the same time, this smartphone works on the Realme UI based on Android 10. Talking concerning the camera. The Realme 7 smartphone has a quad camera, which has a 64-megapixel Sony IMX682 sensor, 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, 2-megapixel monochrome lens, and 2-megapixel macro lens. Together with this, a 16-megapixel selfie camera has been given in the front of this phone. The company has offered features such as 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS and USB Type-C port in terms of connectivity in Realme 7. Apart from this, a 5000 mAh battery has been offered on this smartphone, which supports 30-watt start charge fast charging. At the same time, the weight of this smartphone is 196.5 grams. Hope you enjoyed the video. You guys can initiate a discussion in the comment box, if you have any different opinions about the contents in this video. Be the first to start the debate in the box below. Purchase links related to the products in this video are kept in description. We will be grateful if you could please make your next purchase from that link, as this will help us to grow our channel. Good morning, good evening and good night, whichever part of the world you are from. Don't forget to subscribe to stay connected. I will assure you to make quality and interesting videos in future. This is Jason Peter, signing off.